If your Kia Sportage won't start even with a fully charged battery, don't panic, because the issue is likely hiding in plain sight. Statistics show that over 65% of these no-crank scenarios are caused by simple electrical component failures rather than the engine itself. Let us break down the systematic approach to narrowing down exactly what is preventing that ignition sequence. Start by testing the safety switches and ensuring your battery connections are physically tight and free of corrosion. Beyond the battery, the starter motor itself or a failing ignition switch are the most common culprits for this symptom. Don't overlook the security immobilizer, which might be failing to recognize your key fob, cutting off the fuel or ignition circuit. You can easily swap a relay yourself, but internal starter motor repairs or ECU diagnostics are best left to a professional. As you can see, costs vary wildly depending on the component, so identifying the exact part is the best way to save money. If simple checks fail, use a multimeter to perform a voltage drop test on the starter signal wire while cranking. Keep these basic tools in your kit to handle most electrical troubleshooting tasks on your Kia Sportage safely. Remember, if you smell burning insulation or see smoke, stop immediately to prevent a potential electrical fire. Thanks for watching this guide, and be sure to check your relays before paying for a new starter motor.